$36,792 and 99 cents immediately if you can't hold that bottom part of this lower support where you're at right now. As if you looked at my title earlier, I said 44,000 and change and 50% crash. There is still a possibility that you come up to that 44,000, and we've been talking about that since we came down back here, right? Since we came back down, that we could come back up here as a technical target was being met here, and there should be buyers there technically, and there were, and now we're back down there again, right? And that's a critical area. So what I would watch out for this, it's not the weekend actually, today's only Thursday, is can you hold it? If you break this, you're coming right down to that next underneath support, and you can see you flushed exactly down to it, a beautiful wick, see that? A beautiful wick down to that orange support zone of the uptrending and the rising channel, right, or the both of the bear flag, and you can see it wicked exactly down to it, and the buyers were there. But not a lot of buyers, and this, in the short term, it's coming back down here, right? You're going to be testing this underneath, and I'm thinking, I'm not liking I've been telling you I don't like the looks of things in the overall equity market, the stock market, the bond market, right, the real estate market, and especially the crypto and the tech sector. And as soon as you break that, you have a big fall, and 36,000 on this blue ring is your first underneath support, right? And then the next blue ring below it, which is corresponding with that orange ring too, at 30,985 and 9 cents would be your next area where buyers could be. If the 39,000 breaks and then the 36 breaks, then you would go to the 30, right? Because I think you have a full lateral flush coming, and on a full lateral flush here, you're coming down to $21,176.69. When, not if, but when this bear flag breaks to the downside, and you can see what bear flag we're talking about. If we get back to the Bitcoin, it's right there, right? See that in orange? We got the purple arrow on your uptrending upper resistance, and the green arrow, and the red arrow on your lower support. Well, the green arrow, the red arrow was on a wick, showing you how it hit the blue ring, right? And then where the yellow arrow is, down to the blue arrow, that's your flag. And then this orange arrow right here, that's your pull, and that would be your targeted move, and it lines up beautifully with previously lined up underneath support in our technical